We go to Mela, Silchar Mela. Yeah, so we're busy.
I'm having my Zakha pot also.
All become flowman.
Jaga Silchar Mela.
Cleaning our Zakha.
Mela. Ready for Silchar Mela.
I want to pass toilet also, but I don't have much time. So without passing toilet, I'll go to Mela.
We'll go to Silchar Mela right now. This first.
Hello guys.
Holy moly, guys.
Today our food roster shirt.
But
I'm going to open.
this is very.
Oh, guys,
Oh, yeah.
we'll go to Mela.
Holy moly.
कैसा है Mela? अच्छा है. Guessing a lot.
Silent all day.
We are going to Mela now. I'm wearing shirt. And let me close my belt first of all.
No one used to wear in night time sunglass, but today I'll wear
Yeah.
because I will go Mela.
Perfume for Mela.
Let's
So-
introduce the perfume then please. Here. Yeah.
The name of the perfume is
Oh, accident.
Holiday. Holiday perfume. Holiday perfume.
Holiday.
Holiday perfume.
Wow, the fragrance of the perfume is wow, awesome.
Awesome. Very nice smell. Maintaining.
The talking one is there only, na? Is it?
Yeah. We are three guys. We'll go to Mela. Silchar Mela. Silchar Mela.
Enjoy Mela.
Enjoy Mela. Bye guys. So let's go to Mela. Bye bye. This place is called Panchayat Road, Silchar Fort. Now we are going to see about Silchar Mela 2022. We are very excited. See, we are going right now. And we are. This side cannot come in this video. Oh, you want to? One. Can you come now? We are going here now. Let's go. We are very hurried to this. Let's go.
Time is our
Yeah, the time. Now
running.
Tuk-tuk is going on. Come on, boys. What do you mean?
In Mela,
Let's
nothing
move.
else. We go and enjoy.
I want to see
And
Mela.
see the-
I want to see Mela now. Let's go fast. Now let's sit on tuk-tuki. We are going to Mela. So guys, let's enter into the Mela. Silchar Gandhi Mela. Where are you? With three idiots going to Gandhi Mela, Silchar Mela 2021. Yeah, enjoy.
কলকাতা ঘুরতে যান, কলকাতায় দেখেছেন মিউজিয়াম আছে, ইন্ডিয়ান মিউজিয়াম যার নাম হচ্ছে কলকাতাতে যেটা আছে। দিল্লিতে অনেকেই মানুষ যান ঘুরতে বেড়াতে, সেখানে দেখেছেন মিউজিয়াম, গুয়াহাটিতে দেখেছেন মিউজিয়াম। আজকে কিন্তু আপনাদের অঞ্চলে, আপনাদের বাড়ির পাশে সর্বপ্রথমবার এসেছে কলকাতার টুরিং মহামায়া মিউজিয়াম। এই কলকাতা টুরিং মহামায়া মিউজিয়ামে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আপনারা, এখানে কিছু দেখার জিনিস আছে যে এর আগে আপনারা কখনো দেখেননি বা দেখবারও সুযোগ পাননি। আসুন এই মিউজিয়ামে দেখতে পাবেন। এই যে দেখছেন বাইরে ছবিটা লাগানো আছে, সমুদ্র থেকে আনা হচ্ছে সংগ্রহ করে, সমুদ্র থেকে নিয়ে এসছে সংগ্রহ করে কাকদ্বীপ ডায়মন্ড হাওড়ার থেকে।
Let's see kitchen items. Please come and do shopping. This is Gandhi Mela. See wholesale cup, one shot cup. We can shot at one shot for drinking and all. This one is very special.
Wow,
one
special.
for
Lotus.
keeping the X cigarette and all. This one is selling the balloon. Many items are here selling. You can soda beam. Yeah. You can see like big and all. Yeah, very nice. Please come and visit. Yeah, you can buy. 50. Come this side now, let's see. Please subscribe and like my channel. Meet you all in my next video.